Welcome to my channel Begin with Maths. Please like and subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon also. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss algebra of matrices. In this matrix we will discuss what is matrix and all types of matrices. So let's start. Matrix. What is matrix? The system of numbers arranged in a rectangular array of rows and columns is called a matrix. Simply, matrix is the system of rows and columns. In general, a set of mn objects arranged in a rectangular array of m rows and n columns. This is the representation of the matrix. Here, number of elements a11, a12 up to a1n, a21, a22, a2n, am1, am2, amn is called a matrix of order m by n matrix. Order m by n. M represent number of rows and n represent number of columns. Order written as m by n matrix. The numbers a11, a12, amn are called the elements of the matrix. The matrix will be denoted by capital letters A, B, C, etc. Here, order of a matrix. If A equals to 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6. This is a rectangular matrix. Number of rows 2. Number of columns 1, 2, 3, 3. The order of a matrix 2 by 3. Read as 2 by 3. Number of rows into number of columns. Number of elements in a matrix. मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ ए ऑर्डर ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स. नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स कैसे निकालेंगे? मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ अ ऑर्डर ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स. ऑर्डर ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स हियर 2 by 3, 2 into 3 equals to 6, and easily we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of elements in a matrix equals to 6. Second, types of matrices. A, row matrix. A matrix having only one row and any number of columns is called a row matrix. Simply, we can call a matrix having only one row. Example, A equals to 1, 2, 3. Number of rows R1, rows equals to 1. Number of columns C1, C2, C3, 3. Order is 1 by 3. We can write another example also. A equals to simply 3, 4, 5. Order is 1 by 3. Another example, A equals to 3, 2, 5, 7, 8. Sorry, not 6. Rows 1 and column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Order is 1 by 5. We can write many examples. Column matrix. A matrix having only one column and any number of rows is called a column matrix. For example, here number of columns 1, C1 and row equals to R1, R2, R3. Order is 3 by 1. 3 rows and 1 column. Next, null matrix or zero matrix. Any matrix in which all the elements are 0 is called a zero matrix or null matrix. Null matrix is denoted by capital letter O. For example, here O equals to all elements are 0. Number of rows R1, R2, 2 rows and 3 columns C1, C2 and 3. We can write another example. Here number of rows 2 and number of columns 2. Next, square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called a square matrix. For example, if A equals to, here number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of rows 2 and number of columns 2. Here 2 by 2 matrix, number of rows equal to number of columns then this is called a square matrix. Another example here, 1 3 5 4 6 2 3 7 1, 3 rows 3 columns. This is also a square matrix. In example 1, the elements 1 and 4 are called its diagonal elements. And in example 2, the elements 1, 6 and 1 are called its diagonal elements. Here the diagonal containing these elements, is called the principal diagonal or leading diagonal or main diagonal. This line are called principal diagonal, leading diagonal or main diagonal. Here principal diagonal, leading diagonal or main diagonal. Trace of the matrix. Most important definition of this. The sum of the diagonal elements of a square matrix is called the trace of the matrix. The sum of the diagonal elements of a square matrix is called trace of the matrix. For example, if A equals to 1 3 5 7, 2 by 2 matrix, it means this is a square matrix. Here diagonal elements are 1 and 7. Then we have to find trace of the matrix. Trace of the matrix, A equals to 1 and 7. 1 plus 7 equals to 8. Another example here, if A equals to 2 4 0 3 5 7 1 6 8, number of rows 3, number of columns 3. Diagonal elements are 2 5 8, 2 5 and 8. Trace of the matrix equals sum of the diagonal elements. 2 plus 5 plus 8 equals to 15. Next, diagonal matrix. A square matrix is called diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0. Example, if A equals to 2 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 5. Here diagonal elements are 2, 4 and 5 and non-diagonal elements are 0. This is called diagonal matrix. The diagonal matrix A can also be written as diagonal DIAZ and diagonal elements 2, 4 and 5. Unit matrix or identity matrix. A square matrix is called a unit matrix if all the diagonal elements are unity and non-diagonal elements are 0. It is noted by capital letter I. Unit matrix must be a first condition, a square matrix. Second condition, all the diagonal elements are unity, must be 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. So let us see example 1. If I2, 2 means order 2 by 2. 2 by 2, here 2 rows and 2 columns. This is square matrix. Diagonal elements are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. Second example, if I3 means 3 by 3, a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Here diagonal elements are 1, 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. This is called unit matrix of third order. Next, scalar matrix. A square matrix is called a scalar matrix if all the diagonal elements are equal, same and non-diagonal elements are 0. Here 3 condition, matrix must be square, all diagonal elements are equal, same and non-diagonal elements are 0. For example, here if A equals to diagonal elements all are A and non-diagonal elements are 0. This is a square matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns, order 3 by 3. This is called scalar matrix. Second example, if A equals to all diagonal elements are same K and non-diagonal elements are 0 and order 3 by 3. Another example we can write, for example number 3, if A equals to, here diagonal elements are equal, same 2 and non-diagonal elements are 0 and this is a square matrix, order 2 by 2. Another example we can write here, if A equals to 4 0 0 0 4, this is also a scalar matrix. Here non-diagonal elements are 0, diagonal elements are same 4 and order 2 by 2. Next, triangular matrix. A square matrix in which all the elements either below or above the principal diagonal are 0 is called a triangular matrix. A square matrix condition must be square in which all the elements either below or above the principal diagonal are 0 is called a triangular matrix. Principal diagonal already we have told. Next, lower triangular matrix. A square matrix in which all the elements above the leading diagonal, main diagonal or principal diagonal, same leading diagonal are 0 is called a lower triangular matrix. This is leading diagonal. It is also called principal diagonal or main diagonal. Here condition is matrix must be square, 3 by 3. All the elements above the leading diagonal are 0 is called a lower triangular matrix. Another example we can write, if here diagonal elements, for example 1, 3, 5, condition is above the leading diagonal are 0. All elements are 0 and here this is another example of lower triangular matrix. Next, upper triangular matrix. A square matrix in which all its elements below the leading diagonal are 0 is called an upper triangular matrix. Here this is principal diagonal, leading diagonal or main diagonal 1, 4, 8. Condition is all its elements below the leading diagonal are 0 is called an upper triangular matrix. This is a square matrix, 3 rows, 3 columns. Another example we can write, diagonal elements are 2, 4, 6. Below the leading diagonal are 0 and other. Another example of upper triangular matrix. Next, sum matrix. Any matrix obtained by deleting some rows and columns from a given matrix A is called a sum matrix of A. For example, given A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 7, 8, 0, 4, 6, 1. Number of rows 3 and number of columns 4. Order 3 by 4. Find sum matrices. Sum matrices of A are, if we will delete second column, third column and fourth column, then we will find 1, 3, 0 sum matrix, and if deletes second row and fourth column, another sum matrix 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 6. Okay, next. Please like and subscribe my video. Equal matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal if first condition they are of the same order. Second, the elements in the corresponding positions are equal. Example, if A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. First condition they are of the same order. Order 2 by 2, order 2 by 2. Second condition, the elements in the corresponding positions are equal. A11 1, A12 1, A21 2, A12 2 and A12 2 here. A21 3, A21 3, A22 4 and A22 4. It means A equals to B. Note, if two matrices A and B are equal, we write A equals to B, and if two matrices A and B are not equal, we write A not equals to B. Next, comparable matrices. Two matrices A and B are said to be comparable matrices if they are of the same order. Example, if A equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, order 2 by 2 and B equals to 2, 3, 4, 6, 2 by 2. Then A and B are comparable matrix because they are of the same order. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel